Welcome to Autolock's BMW STX and RTX series E36 installation video. First, let's remove the glove box. Next, let's plug in your BMW STX connector to the BMW's 12-pin alarm port. If your model has a black female pin wire, then you will connect the red wire from the alarm harness to this wire. Otherwise, do nothing at this point. Now let's connect the valet button to the remote unit for programming. Then connect the BMW STX wire harness to the remote unit. Now let's mount the remote unit and secure the wiring. Now let's remove the information displays from the center console. Then remove one of the knockout panels from one of the center console units. Then let's mount the LED light in the knockout panel. Then let's run the LED wires to the remote receiver unit behind the front console. Then plug the LED terminal into the receiver unit. Then, under the hood, run wires from the siren to the siren plug and connect them. Then mount the siren somewhere in the engine compartment. Then let's program your remote controls. First, turn your ignition on, hold down your valet button, and push button 1 of each remote in turn. Then release your valet button. That's it.